got a walk-in that's not cooling too good. It's a Sunday morning. It's about 8 o'clock. Got my refrigeration guy's breakfast right there. Yeah, we're gonna head out there and see what's going on with this thing. What the hell is going on up here? Set point of 37 with a 28-degree differential. Someone's been pushing buttons. That energized the solenoid. Now I can hear the condensing unit running. You gotta be kidding me. We gotta go up there and take a look at that condensing unit. Okay, I got the unit restarted. Now look at this. Now this is what I normally find. I can hear it's low on charge. I can hear it feeding. The unit's running. It's starting to cool a little bit. Let's take a look at the back of the coil. Really central. So the fins are probably turning the powder. Let's see if I can get a shot over here. There's a little coil. If we get the leak detector, we'll probably pick up some detection on these return bends or somewhere in this coil, but we'll take a sniff with it. All right, so we're still at 6.
I don't know, call to save them, but I don't know what if people is not.
This is where the condensing unit is. You see the coil's clean. So I think we're gonna pop some tiles and then crawl over. Okay. Looks like you get these things bent out of the way so they don't shish kebab you. Alright. Making our way over. This was 1999. 422 Jack Allen. The Jack Allen install. Awesome. Sounds terrible. Let's get over here. Yeah, the charge looks full. Let's see. Okay, so where I'm at now is I couldn't get the field piece probes to connect up. That was very frustrating, so I went and broke out the testos. The valve's definitely hunting all over the place, the TXV. I got it adjusted. I'm gonna have to replace that valve. You can see the frost pattern on the coil. See how goofy that's looking? So I know with the Danfosses you can try and replace that cartridge. I'll probably just end up replacing the whole valve. But I need to quote. Well, I think I quoted this change out last year. I got to give it to him again. This thing needs a new evaporator and a new condensing unit, and I want to put the condensing unit up on the roof. So for right now, the TXV getting goofy is probably why the coil I stuffed that in with it being 8 and up. So I gotta go hustle up a valve for this, see if that'll get them by for the meantime. And I talked to the customer. He had tinkered with the thermostat to have it de-ice, to get it to defrost. Forgot to turn it back on last night. The box is cooling down now. The valve's hunting all over the place. It's neat to watch. I'm filming on my iPhone, which is what I was looking at the probes with, so I couldn't show you guys that. My GoPro's at home. I could have done it with the GoPro, but I got it at home. So that's where I'm at so far on this one. All right, so it doesn't get more professional than that. I got my invoice for today, and I got my estimate to, I want to replace that evaporator coil in that condensing unit. I want to pipe that the new condensing unit up to the roof so it sits outside. New condensing unit, new TXV, new thermostat, new evap coil. Trick it out for them, make it all nice for them there. It's time. We'll see what happens. That's what I got going on this one. Coil keeps icing up, he said, so see what happens.